Welcome back to the 40 channel. Quick shout out to the one guy that really helps me out through all of this, and that's Jesus. Coming up at Easter, I want to give him full recognition because a lot has changed this year. Normally you'd be able to try to get to a church on Easter. Well, that's not going to happen. Normally you go out camping with your mates, sit around a campfire, have a beer. Well, that's not going to happen. So we're stuck here doing cruiser work, which is pretty cool, but I still don't want to take our focus on what Easter's all about. Anyway guys, just want to throw out that quick message. Appreciate your support. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves.